Okay, moving on to the navigation part of the hand tool, we have the information button, tools button, the arrows which allows navigation through the menu systems. We have escape and enter button. If I press the info button, we see a series of icons and the information above describing what that icon means. So if I wanted to help an engineer on site and I wanted to navigate through to the event logs, I would just say, have a look for the red circle with the white cross, and that's your event logs or error logs. If I press enter on there, it gives us some further information. I will go through these icons in greater detail in other videos. So for now, back to the main screen. If I press the tools button, password protected, so we have installer access, maintainer, and guest. Depending on which level we go in, depends on what access you have to the various information within the system that you can make changes to. Guest can only view. Maintainer has more access to some of the parameters, but the installer has the full access to all parameters. If I press enter, password in this case is set to 0. And then again opens up into icons, so it's very familiar, the feel with how it all looks, and again it gives the description above of what that icon is. So device parameters, auto tune, shaft learning, time, date, and so on. I will be going through these in greater detail in another video, but if I press the info button, it takes me back to the main screen. Hopefully this gives a basic understanding of the hand tool, but I will be going through everything in a lot more detail in future videos.